Back at Direct Import Services. We are officially back from sick Michigan miles, and now we need to deal with the header leak. The saga continues.
Said it wouldn't go past 50 down the line. It's just a moon like it used to be. My hands are fire in my veins. Guess I bent them 2 hours.
Alright, so here's the sitch. As I'm sure you probably heard if you watched any of the Sick Michigan Miles videos, or you could hear that header ticking like all get out. I haven't looked to see exactly where the crack is, but we're gonna find out because we're taking them off. I ordered a set of PI 4.6 manifolds, which look way better than the log style manifolds that come on the car. Got new V-bands, new clamps, a couple flex sections, what I had left of my mandrel bent 2.5 if I need it, and a plethora of random metal bits and pieces. So the plan is to get the turbo mounted to the core support via, something that I can bolt on and unbolt, obviously, but make it so that way the turbo is mounted solid to the car. We'll put those flex sections in wherever I can fit them. This side I'm seeing now is going to be a challenge. This side I've got all the room. Anyway, once we get the turbo mounted solid, I can take the kit off. We'll make the cuts where we need to make the cuts, and after I get the headers off, get those mocked up and start trying to piece it all back together. Now that I'm saying it aloud, this is definitely gonna be a long project, so I'm gonna get after it. Alright, it's taking me a while to get some direction, but I have started on bracketry. So, got that mounted up. I welded one of these plates to the core support, and then I added a couple little braces to keep it tight against it. These are actually dual caliper brackets from a project I had many moons ago. And I've just been sitting on them, so I figured I'd repurpose them. So now that I've got that one about done and ready for paint, I need to rinse and repeat on this side, and then I believe we can actually blow this thing apart and start changing the headers. There it is, in all of its glory. Turbo mountified. Now it's time to blow this thing apart. Update time. We got the manifolds cut and just pinned on for now. Here's our brokenness. You can see crack right there on the passenger side, and on the driver's side, big old foot-in crack. I'm in the process of unwrapping the up pipes because we're going to be trying to reuse as much of that as possible. But what I'm going to do, I got the turbo mounted because, it's got its own mount now. Once I get that unwrapped, I'm going to just try to bolt that to the turbo and see where everything lies, and then start cutting and piecing shit. Yeah. Puzzle pieces that I still have to make yet, so.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Found more cracks. Also, passenger side. Get them welded back up and then start the jigsaw puzzle. Well, there's one side just pieced together. I gotta take it off and finish welding the V-band, finish welding the flex. I don't have it welded to the top piece yet, so I can weld that separate. And then we can move on to the bastard side. Alright, well, it is officially mocked up. It's got manifold on both sides, flex joint, turbo is solid mounted to the core support, and another manifold. And I just gotta finish weld, paint, and wrap. This was an all-day extravaganza. It is like going on 7 o'clock. I got here at 9. Yeah, we're gonna have a full day to get this thing wrapped up, but that's a tomorrow gig.
The next day.
Alright, tis the next morning, and I kinda got a jump start on it without you guys. I'm almost 40, dude. Morning coffee is my alone time, so I got here. I had to finish weld that V-band on, and then I had enough left over at a wrap to just kinda, I don't know, do something. And this very fluid transition, you can see. Don't mind that. Looks better if you look at it like that. Oh, wow. Got the pipes wrapped. It's all just reusing what was on there. Still rocking the bedhead, yep. Just reused what I had left from putting on the black stuff before Sick Michigan Miles, and literally what I took off I put back on. So now I need to get the manifold gaskets and the manifolds on, and then I can start assembling.
I'ma make these haters recognize I ain't playing, yo. Turbo 4-6, do the shit, man. You already know. Town car hauling all that ass, moving fast as shit. Now I think it's time to show these haters who they running with. Badger built, that's my name. Turbo Panthers is my game. 20 pounds of boost got me gapping scats and switching lanes.
First test drip. Hopefully no ticky tick. You guys are gonna hear it better than me. So we'll let a guy know. It's kinda hot out. I don't know if I'm gonna be rolling the windows up. It was so freaking loud. After Sick Michigan Miles, it didn't matter if the windows were up or down. Let's see what you do to be genitile. You got a whole lot of gas. Find out if there's anything. Just had her wrap. I didn't cut them 2 zip ties either. But yeah, I think she's good and quiet compared to what it was before. It's 100% better. Steps in the right direction.